In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SSH access in Hostinger shared hosting. Full 2025 guide. So say it. SSH is a secure, encrypted way to manage your hosting environment from your own computer, and enabling it only takes a few minutes. We'll go step by step so you feel confident the whole way through. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Hostinger's website. When the home page loads, look to the top right corner for the Login button. Click it, then enter the email and password for your Hostinger account. If you tend to forget credentials, storing them in a trusted password manager can save time and keep things secure. After a successful login, you'll land in Hostinger's hpanel, which is the central dashboard for your hosting and account settings. From here, find the hosting section in the top navigation. Click it to see all the hosting plans tied to your account. Identify the plan where you want SSH enabled, then click Manage. This opens the management area for that specific hosting account, where all the tools and settings for your site live. Inside the management area, look for the Advanced section. Don't let the name intimidate you. It simply groups together powerful tools for tasks like SSH. Open it and then select SSH Access. That will take you to the SSH configuration page. On the configuration page, your main goal is to enable SSH. Find the SSH status control. This may appear as a toggle or button. If it's currently off, switch it on. Once activated, the page will display your connection details. These typically include the host name, the port number, and login credentials you'll use with your SSH client. Copy these exactly as shown. It's a good idea to save them in a secure place so you can reference them later without returning to the panel. When you're ready to connect from your computer, you'll use an SSH client such as PuTTY on Windows or the built-in terminal on macOS and Linux. Keep the hpanel tab open while you test your connection, just in case you need to double-check any detail. And that's it. You've enabled SSH access on your Hostinger shared hosting account. With SSH in place, you'll have a fast, secure way to perform tasks that benefit from direct server access, like file operations, running scripts, or advanced troubleshooting. If you found this helpful, take a moment to explore the other tools in your hpanel. They're designed to streamline site management and help you work more efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.